Oh, hi there. I just went to the Cup Noodle Museum. This is Japan. Of course there's a Cup Noodle Museum. The Cup Noodle Museum has so many interesting things to see and do. Oh, what's this? I made my very own custom cup noodle. The Cup Noodle Factory is the most exciting part of the Cup Noodle Museum. Let's take a look at how it's made. I'll show you. My name is Raymond, and this is the Cup Noodle Factory. Sponsored by Gabby Tokyo, an awesome place to learn Japanese from the comfort of your own home. Step 1 features a very familiar sight in Japan, a vending machine. Put 300 yen into the vending machine and buy a cup noodle cup. What's this? No noodles inside? Well, don't worry, the noodles will come later. Step 2 is to sanitize your hands. It's very important to have clean hands when handling food. Step 3 is the fun part. We get to decorate our cups. I colored the cup noodle text orange, I drew the anime character Ranma, and I drew noodles flying out of a cup. I was inspired by this sculpture, but my drawing turned out a bit more like Frylock from Aqua Teen Hunger Force. Maybe I'll get it better next time. Step 4 is where things really get exciting. The cup and the noodles unite and become cup noodles. The cup is dropped on top of the noodles to prevent any noodles going into cups sideways. And then you make them right side up again by turning this crank. Ah, wasn't that satisfying? Step 5 is where you get to customize the taste and make the perfect cup noodle suited just for you. First, pick your soup base. You can choose from cup noodle, curry, seafood, or chili tomato. I chose cup noodle. Classic. Next, choose your toppings. There's Hyoko-chan fish cakes, garlic chips, green beans, cheese, crab-flavored fish cakes, corn, kimchi, shrimp, roast pork, egg, green onions, and a special, limited-time-only ingredient that is often changed. I chose Hyoko-chan fish cakes, roast pork, green onion, and egg. Doesn't it look delicious? Step 6. It's time to seal your cup. Don't blink or you'll miss it. I almost did. Step 7 is where your cup noodle's freshness gets locked in. It's time for the shrink wrap. Ooh, look at it go. Step 8, the final stage. Stick it in a bag and blow it up with air. This does two things. It protects your precious cup noodles, and it turns you into a living, breathing Cup Noodle Museum advertisement for the rest of the day. Wasn't that amazing? Now let's see how it tastes. It's delicious. All right. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Thanks again to Gabby Tokyo for their support. Learning Japanese is lots of fun. Gabby Tokyo is a great website for taking one-on-one Japanese lessons. I'll show you just how easy it is to get started with Gabby Tokyo. Gabby Tokyo has 3 course levels to choose from. For beginner to intermediate Japanese, choose the Alpha course. The Gabby Tokyo teachers will help you level up in no time. For advanced Japanese, choose the Bravo course. Here, you can improve your Japanese for conversation and business. The Charlie course is specially designed for students. You'll get all the help you need to be at the top of your class. Gabby Tokyo offers 3 plans: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. The Silver plan gets you 6 lessons a month. The Gold plan gets you 10. And with the Platinum plan, you can have a lesson every single day. That's a great deal. Gabby Tokyo will teach you Japanese using Skype, so you can learn at home, school, a cafe, the office, or anywhere you like. You can even try it for free. Enjoy Gabby Tokyo today.